All right. So the pants are done. Um, I was thinking of styling it with a black top, but then there's no like contrast between like the waistband. So I don't know if I like the black top or not. So I'm gonna try this top that I got. I actually got this this is like the only good thing I've ever purchased at Forever 21 because I just don't like shopping there. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on because I feel like the yellow and then the little black parts are gonna like pop nicely. I think this looks way better. Like, that's cute. And then this waistband almost acts like the little accents at the sleeves and at the neck. So I think this is the vibe for now, maybe. I might change. Wow, I really should have turned on my ring light because the other video looks like shit. But yeah, here, now you can really see the pants in all their glory. Got my little straps, which kind of camouflage into it, but I mean, it still adds like a nice little element. But yeah, I like them. They fit nice. Really my only complaint is like the crotch is a little too long, so I do feel like I have to have them up just like a little bit too high. But overall, I do really like the fit. The pockets, where are you guys? There you are. Pockets are good. They feel good. Everything. Yeah, so these are done, and I like the overall look, so.
Since I had the day off, I decided I wanted to go out and crochet in nature and get some fresh air and some sunlight because the weather's been so nice. And also attempt to, film my pants and get some more spider webs done. So it was a really nice, relaxing time.
Got some little treats I shouldn't have, but they sounded really good. I got a salted caramel macaron and lemon curd macaron, and it just sounds so good. I was like, it kind of matches my pants. So I got myself that little treat. I also got another little treat. Got a cruffin. It looks very sussy and delicious, and I'm so excited about it. So splurged on treats. Oopsie, I said I wasn't going to spend any money, but I'm just a little lady that likes the little treats.
I also ended up going to this little craft get-together where, you can just have little snacks and craft. And of course I had some wine. It was really nice.
Do you guys like to cook?
Mm-hmm. I love to cook.
Oh yeah, you definitely.
You know I
do. Let me see.
Y'all, I just ordered pizza. I'm fucking stoked. Bow, 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 bow. Let's some Little Caesars. Let's go. Good morning. Hey. You ready to start the day? Is that a yes or a no? You want pets? Just got back from the dentist. Got the babiest kitty. And now we're gonna watch the new Invincible. And then I got crochet, so I want to be really lazy today. I'm very eepy, so. Beep, beep, beep. Come here with mama.
So I've been really inspired lately to make myself some staple pieces of clothing for my wardrobe because I kind of hate a lot of my clothes right now. So I sketched up some potential things that I would like to make. Um, and yeah, that's just kind of just some tentative ideas. Of course, many that I got from Pinterest. And yeah.
So I thrifted these two curtains a while back. I think they were each like maybe $2, or it might have been $2 for both. And I think I want to use this pattern here to like make a sheer whimsical dress of sorts. So I think that's gonna be my next project. So this is the pattern that I'm thinking about using with the thrifted purple sheer curtains. I have an idea in mind. I got inspired by some Pinterest things, some Pinterest little outfits. So I think I'm just gonna kind of go for it and just mainly follow the pattern and not really make too many alterations and just kind of see what happens. So it's time to just cut out all the pieces. That might be all I get done tonight before I have to go to work. So yeah.
This week had been pretty rough, so Mr. and I decided to treat ourselves with some all-you-can-eat sushi, and I absolutely went to town. It was so freaking good, and just editing this now, I want to go back to there.
Whew. So I just got off work. It was insane. It's so busy. Like weekends are just getting like insane. But so yeah, I am off work and Monster Hunter Wilds came out yesterday and I was gonna play more and stream more of it. But I think what I'm gonna do instead of streaming is put my PC in my bedroom and just lay in bed with my heating pad and do character creation because it's so intense. Like I locked up on stream yesterday because I got too overwhelmed with like just how much of the character creation things, toggles and nodes there are. It was nuts. But yeah, so I'm home. I think I'm gonna make some soup. I've got this cute little cabbage from Mom's garden and some pork. So I'm gonna make a nice pork and cabbage soup, and then I'm gonna go lay down and do Monster Hunter Wilds character creation. So yeah, I'm excited. Excited to relax. Well, I was gonna go make soup, but someone has sat upon me. Okay, Miss Thing, please don't put your butt in my face. Nothing. Look how cute this little cabbage is. It's just a baby. Yeah, it's grown from Mama's garden. Gonna make it into soup.
The soup ended up turning out really good as usual. As I've mentioned before, I love pork and cabbage soup, and honestly, adding the shiitake mushrooms in with it made the texture even nicer. And having the white rice and wrapping it up in some seaweed made for some really epic bites and just made the whole meal incredibly filling. I did finally find some time to sit down and start my Monster Hunter character creation. She's got some Chapel Roan vibes, and tried to make my my little cat helper look like Tamamo. Then more snacks. I found my Black Phillip hard cider and bought them both. Then went to go visit my parents. Ate delicious food as usual, and of course got to see the cute doggos and had a really good time. When I got back home, I continued to work on the purple dress with that sheer curtain, which I do feel a little bit silly about now. This is basically a mock-up, and I'm using a really difficult, slippery, easily frayable material. But at the same time, I'm excited about the project, and we'll see how it turns out.